Here are a few ways to be able to pack like a minimalist, but get the maximum use out of your luggage space and items. Start by making a packing list and get very specific on this, writing down the things you'll be doing each day or where you'll be, and then what kind of outfits you'll need, such as warm weather day or fancy dinner clothes or specifics like a swimsuit. This helps me never overpack by only letting me pack the outfits that I actually need. Stick to basics. I pick 3 basic colored pants and then 3 to 5 tops that can go with all of these pants. So instead of 3 outfits, I now get 6 to 15 outfits by rotating and reusing. You can also use basic tops with patterned pants. If you want to pack prints, pick a color theme. I selected all items that have pinks, blues, and whites. This way, you can maximize your use of sweaters, jackets, accessories, and shoes between them because everything will be able to mix and match. And speaking of accessories, I never pack a pair of shoes that do not match with at least 3 outfits for a long trip. If they don't mix and match with my neutrals or color scheme, they are not coming. Shoes are heavy and take up a lot of space. Keeping it to a few pairs that are interchangeable is the perfect way to pack light and change up your outfits. What are your tips for packing like a minimalist?